If you're a fan of perfectly cooked meals, then you need to avoid these common convection oven mistakes. Here are the top 5 convection oven mistakes you might be making. Let's jump right in. Mistake number 1, overcrowding the oven. It's like a party where no one has elbow room. Keep it spacious to let hot air circulate and cook evenly. Mistake number 2, ignoring the fan. The fan is your best friend. It circulates the hot air, making sure your food is cooked evenly. So don't forget to use it. Mistake number 3, using the wrong cookware. Dark or non-stick pans absorb heat and can overcook your food. Stick to light-colored shiny pans for the best results. Mistake number 4, not adjusting the temperature. Convection ovens cook faster than conventional ones. Lower the recipe temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid burning your meals. Mistake number 5, opening the door too often. We get it, you're curious. But every time you open the door, you let out precious heat. Trust the process and keep that door closed. So, there you have it. 5 mistakes to avoid for perfect convection oven cooking. Happy cooking, and may your meals be ever delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more kitchen tips and tricks.